is Felix, and today we're going to show you how to make Kalua pork with cabbage. Okay, traditionally this dish is cooked underground. The old Hawaiian way is to dig a pit underground, basically baking the dish with rocks and leaves and all that stuff. But for this portion, we don't need to do that. In fact, we're going to make it so easy for you. We're going to use an Instapot. Okay, so with the power of Instapot, we're going to create this dish in about an hour. Alright, let's go to the ingredient. Let's get started. Alright, for our Kalua pork with cabbage, we're using about 4 pounds of pork shoulder meat cut into manageable size, about 1.5 inch slice. We're going to layer that into the pan so it's easier to cook. Also, we're going to use 3 slices of bacon. We're going to infuse the bacon flavor. This also creates the smokiness of the dish. And to enhance that smokiness, we're going to use about 1/2 tablespoon of liquid smoke. Okay. 6 cloves of garlic, just smash. You don't need to chop it. And we have 1 tablespoon of iodized salt. You can also use Hawaiian sea salt, and probably going to use about 2 tablespoons of that instead. But for today, we're using just regular iodized salt. Also, our little twist to this dish is black peppercorn. We'll show you how it's done. We're going to layer that into the flavor as well. Okay, and of course, our co-star of this is the whole head of cabbage. Okay, and there you go. This is all you need for Hawaiian style Kalua pork with cabbage. Okay, first things first, we're gonna coat the meat with salt, and we're gonna rub it all around. Okay. So I'm going to rub all that salt in there. Alright. I'm going to just spread that salt around so it's fully covered. Okay. Alright, that's the first step. Let me just wash my hand. We got our Instapot on saute mode for pork. Okay, now we're gonna lay our bacon. Okay, lay it flat. Spread it around. Okay. So alright, we're gonna turn it over and then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Just flip the bacon over. As you can see, it gets a little bit smoky, and that's what you want to get that smoke flavor. Now we're going to add our black peppercorn all around the bottom. Okay, and we're going to layer the meat. Alright. Okay. Also, we're going to add our garlic in between. Let me just put all the meat in there. And a small remnants in there, in between. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna put the garlic in the middle, in between the meat. Okay. right. And then we're gonna add a little bit of our liquid smoke. And I got a couple more garlic here. Alright. And now we're gonna pressurize this, and we're gonna cover this, and then we're gonna put it in pressure cook for about 30-40 minutes, or however the setting is. But normally it would be about 50 minutes. So alright. Before we close it up, we're gonna add some water, about a cup. This will give you the pressure, and that's a cup of water is enough to cook this much meat. Alright, so we're gonna cover it up. First I'm gonna put it in the pressure cooker setting. Alright. It's been about 50 minutes. We're just checking to see if the meat is tender. You can poke the chopsticks through it, and looks like it is. So now we're gonna put it in a separate container, take the meat out, and we'll let it cool off to be pulled apart. Okay, now we're gonna add the cabbage. We're gonna pressure cook it for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes is about the right amount of time for this particular pressure cooker. So check your pressure cooker recommendation or settings, which that is enough to cook your vegetables. So once we add all the cabbage, we're gonna start shredding the meat while it's cooking. Okay, it should take about 2 minutes, and we're all ready to go. And this is what it looks like after you shred the meat. Nice and tender. And we're gonna put this back into the pot as soon as the cabbage is ready. And it looks like it's ready. So we're gonna put our shredded pork back inside and simmer it for about 2 minutes to reheat the meat and blend everything together so that it'll be ready for serving. A little mix, and there it is, ready for plating. Guess what? It's been an hour, and it is chow time. All right, here we go. We're gonna give it a shot here. Looking good. All right. A little bit of rice. Okay, this is what it looks like, guys. Kalua pork with cabbage. Oh wow. Melts in your mouth. The spice is perfect. Oh yeah. This is how it should be done. Oh no. Hey, before I forget, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification button or bell, and so that you will get the first viewing of the next video. And on behalf of Tasty Pineapple, we'd like to thank you for watching us, and give this recipe a chance, and I think you'll like it. Yeah. This is better than the store-bought ones or any restaurant I've tasted. Alright, again, thank you for watching. Mahalo. See you later.